Parlok baro Sngewbha subscribe ya kan ka channel Kren Phareng lada fi kwa shu kum kini ki videos. Kublai bun. Katno, how much? How much? Katno pide, how much do you sell? How much do you sell? Sngewbha ai shi kilo ka dohsniang. Please give 1 kg of chicken. Please give 1 kg of chicken. Sngewbha ai shi kilo ka dohsniang. Please give 1 kg of pork. Please give 1 kg of pork. Sngewbha ai shi kilo ka doh masi. Please give 1 kg of beef. Please give 1 kg of beef. Sngewbha ai shi kilo ka doh blang. Please give 1 kg of mutton. Please give 1 kg of mutton. Sngewbha ai shi kilo usop nyam tra. Please give 1 kg of orange. Please give 1 kg of orange. Sngewbha ai shi kilo sok per yam. Please give 1 kg of guava. Please give 1 kg of guava. Sngewbha ai shi kilo sohmylleng. Please give 1 kg of gooseberries. Please give 1 kg of gooseberries. Katno pide ya sok trun. How much do you sell the pineapple? How much do you sell the pineapple? Katno pide ya kakat. How much do you sell the bananas? How much do you sell the bananas? Sngewbha ai shi kilo sok plum. Please give 1 kg of peaches. Please give 1 kg of peaches. Te parlok baro Sngewbha subscribe ya kan ka channel Kren Phareng lada fi kwa shu kum kini ki videos. Kublai bun.